Hey guys, whoa! Better not let my mountain with freebies fall. Welcome back to another unboxing free stuff video with me. As you can see, I have 8 boxes, packages ready to be unpacked. Oh, hold on a second. What's today's date? Oh yeah, it is October 23rd. It's time to pick who my lucky winner of my September combo giveaway is. So let's go ahead and do that before we do the unboxing. Alright, let's go ahead and look for the email. Here is the September giveaway that I emailed myself, see, September 21st. Alright, so the lucky number is 94. Let's go ahead and go to the video and go to the comment section. Don't forget number 94. First of all, I appreciate all of my subscribers, new and alike, for supporting my channel. I'm really trying to get the silver play button, and I can't wait until I get to 100,000 subscribers. So close. So let's go ahead and start from the top. Sorry, Dominic, but thanks for participating. Long time subscriber right there. See, 7 years. Appreciate that. Let's go down the list. 24. Hey, 115. Hey, that's pretty close right there. Big shout out to Fun with Jesus Shane, another long time subscriber. That's kind of close too. Sorry, Lars. Eugene Caleb. Is that the winner? Car Imperials. Big shout out. Dan. Dave. 420. I know where you're going with that. Who is Ray? No. Ragman Comics. South Dakota. Chino K. Wait. Great Hall. The Beauty Comic. Number 82. Whoa. That just beat number 111. Trevor Jacks. Big shout out to you. Good luck in last semester in college. Bobby Fight, a long time subscriber. Big shout out to you too. Grant Pointer, big shout out to you. Taki Tour Guide, local subscriber. 75, and then 362. It looks like we have a winner. Congratulations to Chino Cakes 982. Shoot me an email at jruleproductions@gmail.com. Hook me up with your address, and I'll send that box of amazing comics to you free of charge. And don't forget to participate every month, guys. I'm doing giveaways every month. It's really, you have a very high chance of winning. Look at this. There's not that many entrants, so the chances of winning are very high. Congratulations, Chino Cakes 982, for winning my September combo giveaway. I want to challenge all of you guys to share my channel with your friends, your loved ones, or family. I'm really trying to hit 100,000 subscribers. Let's go ahead and start from the top. This bag right here. I'm guessing a metal wallet, maybe. Sometimes. Yep. Ultra slim RFID wallet. Love that. Oops. All right, check out my Vietnam tour videos for more of the fun that we had, that Truk and I had. Really enjoyed my time there. Oh snap! This is a cool tool right there. I know you guys will enjoy this. Look at this hidden camera detector. So imagine taking this with you to the hotels. Make sure nobody's surveilling on you. Especially if you do international travel, this comes in handy. I can't wait to test this out. That's like one of those James Bond detector tools, you know. Sometimes these tools are really cool with me. There are so many cool electronic products that's coming out that I can't wait to review them all. I would like to one day review one of these laser projectors, maybe. I'm talking about like a laser movie projector. That would be cool, but those are kind of expensive. So I don't know if companies are willing to give that away for free. Smoke cam, what is this? Oh, it's one of these smoke detectors that has a hidden camera in there. This is another one of these James Bond gadgets. Love that. Oh, this one's pretty heavy. Please don't tell me it's another one of these ports. What do you call those? Not charge ports. Another of those docking stations. I'm getting kind of There are a couple of things that I'm getting tired of reviewing. One is being electric toothbrushes, shower heads, and dashboard mounts. What is this? Mirror dash cam. Oh snap! I think there's one of those dash cameras that has front and rear facing camera. Oh, that is going to be super useful. Can't wait to test that out. Although that review is going to be it's going to be more time consuming. Yeah, there's another thing that I kind of gets me a little bit irritated, I guess, like installation ones, like ceiling fans. Although I do love it when it's eventually finished, because it's like a furniture upgrade. It's like I'm making renovations to my house, you know. I mean, further down in the line, when it's time for me to sell my house or whatever, when I have a family, that's going to increase the value. What is this? Intelligent air compression massager? There's no picture. So companies, you should really put the picture of the product in the box, because that really helps out. Although I'm kind of excited about this. Massagers, can't go wrong with that, right? Okay, here's another big box. What is this? Steel tongue drum. What is a steel tongue drum? Whoops, almost took out my microphone. Every week I have to recycle so many of these boxes right here. Steel tongue drum. Look at this. It's a musical instrument. All right, will my microphone reach this far? 2 more to go. Let's go ahead and open up this one right here. It's pretty lightweight backpack. It could be a keyboard too. Let's see. What did I ask Santa for? I asked Santa for... What the heck is this? Pro grade... Oh crap. Oh snap. This is a boxing glove. My very first pair of boxing gloves. Look at this. I think this is 14 ounces. Oh man. Wait until the video idea I have for that one. And lastly, we'll save the best for last, hopefully. Doesn't seem like too many electronics this week. So I'm hoping for something that's very useful and valuable, I guess. But no ceiling fans. Because there's only so many rooms I can upgrade. What the heck is this? Is this a bag? What is this? Pro Case Tactical Gun Range Smart Bag. Oh, this is one of those bags that you put your handguns when you go to the shooting range. Oh, wow. That's going to be cool. All right, so these are my upcoming product reviews. Thanks for supporting my channel. Take care of yourselves. Until next time.